Good afternoon, Warriors. Today is first day of October 2018. Taking a look at our homework for this evening. In math, there is no homework. Hopefully you did well on the Module 3 quiz today. In science, we've got an optional review that you may do, as our measurement test is tomorrow. Hopefully you did well on the review in class today with a game of Kahoot. Then, in social studies, we've got a latitude and longitude homework form that can be found on your Chromebook. Make sure you are using your Atlas for that assignment. In language arts, we've got a writer's notebook, chapter 10, Writing That Inspires. And then you also need to start reviewing for Wednesday's test over chapters 1 through 11. In literature, we've got library tomorrow. We also have a vocab test for this Friday. One of the things that we did talk about in literature class today, and this will be on the homework chart all week, is there is a link for Quizlet.com where you can go and you've got your 33 terms, and you've got a variety of different ways that you can go through, from flashcards to actually taking a test to playing the matching or the gravity game. So make sure you take advantage of this opportunity. Make sure that you do prepare so that you can perform well on Friday. That's it for today. Make it a good one.